lovelies. In today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing of this cordless vacuum that I got from ALDI's. I saw some great reviews on this and I thought, why not? It was going for $79.99. So I picked it up from my local ALDI's and I'll be showing you guys how I use it. I just took down my Christmas decorations. So there's a lot of sparkling and there's a lot of dust flying around, everything. I got some of everything going on in this living room carpet, so I want to see how well this stuff pick up, you know, on dirt and dust and stuff like that. So stay tuned as I start to unbox it. I don't have a tripod with me right now, so I'm going to try to do it in a way where you guys could see, so bear with me. Ta-da! I'm on the chair. So we can see the content inside. Ooh. So of course it comes with a user manual showing you how to use it. It does come two different colors, one blue, one red. I got the red one. And supposedly this is like the Dyson. That's what some people are claiming. Some people are claiming these are parts, usually with this Easy Home company, these are basically parts that, and so this is this piece. I thought this would have been bigger. I thought this would have been way bigger. I guess not. I don't know what are some of these pieces. I know, of course, this is the handheld. Of course. This looks so much bigger on video, on camera, but it's really not. And this is the stick. Let's try to open the stick. This looked like they spray painted while it was on here. I don't know, it's not focusing, but interesting. So I'm guessing this piece, I want to see if I could figure it out without using any instructions. Already I think I'm messing up. So just based on looking at the of course, I know this is the bottom, right? So I'm guessing this goes together. So without looking at any instructions, I already know that I'm supposed to connect the stick to the bottom part. One thing I could tell already that I'm not gonna like about these, that I usually don't like about these cordless vacuums, is the fact that they don't stand on their own. So I hate that, but it looked like this is not gonna be any different. So we shall see. We have this that you could put on a wall, like I said before. If you have the space to put it, this way you could put the vacuum on it. That's a great feature to have. Then, of course, every vacuum would come with, you know, this is your typical brush for vacuum. If you want to scrub something, it comes with that. Then this will be the nozzle for you to reach these under the couches, corner of couches, like little tight corners. Then you have something like this. I'm guessing this is supposed to go on the vacuum. I don't know if it goes somewhere on there, maybe to hold it or screw it somewhere. I'm guessing. I don't know. Don't quote me on nothing yet. I have not read the instructions. I'm just basically going through what I think. I'm using my opinions at this point. It comes with 2 of these. Then of course this is the charge. This is the cord to charge it. And I have not figured out where you charge it at. Okay, so it looks like you charge it from up top. Not your typical vacuum where you charge it from the side or anything. That's very interesting. So you charge from up top. I never charged it from up top before. And it looked like that's basically it. So let's just pretty much go through this a little bit. Let me just open the book just so I can have an idea. It also comes with this warranty. Oh my God, it's not focusing. It also comes with this warranty card. It basically tells you about it. I guess if anything is wrong, you will call them and you will tell them about what's wrong with your item. It gives you the explanation. The book basically tells you, of course, about the product, how to charge it, and so on and so forth. I doubt it comes with any juice. I'm thinking this is an on and off button, and nothing is not happening. I really want this to be worth my $79 because I didn't want to buy a Dyson right now. Dysons are going for like, the very good ones are like almost 400 bucks. And your girl ain't got the budget for that right now. So a lot of reviews have said this was very similar. Off bat, we shall see. So you guys, let me charge it up and I'll get back to you guys. It's currently charging and I'm not sure if it turns green. Well, I guess it will turn green when it's fully charged. I didn't read the instructions. I'm just going basic on my instincts. It was just a 3-step process just to connect the bottom to the stick and the stick to this. It comes with 3 different brushes. It's this one, the rotating brush, and also this other vacuum head, and a small little brush for like small, I don't know, a tiny little brush. I'll show it to you guys next. And what I did was clip this little black piece right here and then put these 2 on the side. So I'm just gonna keep it on there and hopefully it charges really soon. So I'm guessing green. Well, it says max. I don't know. To be honest, I don't know. I'm just gonna let it charge for about an hour and we'll see. Guys, so I'm actually gonna turn it on for the first time. It's done charging, and how I know it was done charging, the battery has stopped blinking. I'm gonna put it really close to the floor so you can see whether or not it's up. It's actually picking up. I like the fact that it has the light on it. It's actually doing a really good job. Overall, I love this vacuum. It did everything it was supposed to do. I do recommend it for now. I don't know the longevity of it, but I'm definitely going to enjoy this vacuum. And I love the fact that it only cost me $79. And as you can see, it does carpet, it does tiles, but it also do hardwood floors. So this is not a promotional video, of course not. But, you know, I like to share great things when I find great things, and I think this is one of them. Hopefully it can last me a very long time and I get my money's worth, because the Black & Decker, I didn't get my money's worth with it. So we'll see. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and make sure you are subscribed if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next one.